Hello guys, welcome back to our channel GK Securities. So in this video, we are going to install the Parrot operating system and another vulnerable web operating system called OwaspBWA in our VirtualBox. So before getting any delay, let's get started. First, we are going to install the Parrot operating system in our VirtualBox. So, open up your browser and type parrotsecurity.org/virtual and hit enter. And select the download and it start downloading. And I am going to cancel it because I am already downloaded. And opening my file explorer. And go to downloads. Here it is a file called parrot.security and I double click on it. My VirtualBox was open. I get this pop-up message and next I am going to import this and agree, and it will take some time to installing. After that, we successfully install the Parrot operating system in our VirtualBox, and next we are going to settings and network and change it into bridge adapter. Why we are going to change the network setting into bridge adapter? That means it configure the network to our external network. That means it does not create a new network in our VirtualBox. That means we can create a new network in VirtualBox also. So okay, next I am going to start it. And it will take some time for booting up. And click on login. So here is our Parrot operating system GUI. So here the password.txt file contains the password and username of our Parrot operating system, and double click on it. The password was TOOR and the username was user. And if you want to change the password, opening the terminal and type PASSWD and hit enter and type the current password and type your new password and retype it. And we successfully changed the password. So in next section, we are going to install the OwaspBWA in our VirtualBox. Next, open up the browser and type OwaspBWA and hit enter and select the first link and select download. It will take some time to download and wait for it. And it start downloading. I am going to cancel it because I am already downloaded. So opening my file explorer, downloads, and here it is, and right click on it and extract here and give some time for extracting. I extracted all files and saved into OwaspBWA, and here it is. And minimize this and open the VirtualBox and select the new and name as OwaspBWA and change the type into Linux and version into Ubuntu 64 and select next. And I kept my RAM as default and next, and select the using a existing hard disk and select this icon and add. Go to downloads OwaspBWA and select the first and click on open, choose and create, and next I am going to change the network setting. So settings, network, and change it into bridge adapter. Okay, and start the machine. And give some time for booting up. and the username was root and password was OSBWA and hit enter and we log in as root. So we successfully installed the Parrot OS and OwaspBWA in our virtual machine. Next, we are going to configure the network settings. That means we are going to create a new network in our VirtualBox. So I am going to shut down my OwaspBWA and next go to File, Preferences and go to the Network tab, and I already created a new NAT network. Otherwise, you can creating by clicking on this and double click on it. You can name it anything you want. In my case, I am going to name it as GK Security and OK and go to the network settings and select the bridge adapter into NAT network and change it into GK Securities and hit OK and next change it everything. So network, bridge adapter to NAT network and GK Securities, settings, network, NAT network, GK Securities. So we successfully changed the network of our virtual machine. That means we created a new network inside our virtual box and we can using that. Okay, thank you. For more cybersecurity contents, subscribe to our channel and hit a bell icon for our future updates. Thank you. We will see in our next video.